need to know how to use the scheduler. So if you ever use a platform such as Calendly or Boomerang to build a scheduler, we have that built right in here, so you no longer have to pay extra to have that feature. So basically how you do that is very simple. So once you connect your email to InsuredMine, it will connect your calendar as well. And once your calendar is connected, you just come over here to the navigation panel on the left and click on calendar, and it will bring you to this calendar screen. And then up here on the top right is this scheduler button. You just click on that, and then you can create your schedules. You can create multiple ones. So say you have like a 45-minute demo you want to schedule with somebody, or you have a 30-minute meeting, or 15, whatever you want. You can create multiple ones. So I'm just going to click on this plus, and it'll bring me to this screen. Okay, so right now it's just set as a sample 30-minute coffee meeting, but maybe you want to call this something else. You can change the name. And then where do you want this location to take place? Meeting to take place, you can select your location, or if it's going to be a virtual meeting, you can attach your Zoom link, or you can attach your Zoom or whatever you're going to be using for your meetings. And then you can select how long you want these blocks to be, 30 minutes all the way up to 90 minutes. Then you just click next, and here is where you can book what days you want to make yourself available. So Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, whatever, you can select your times here. And then how far in the future do you want to allow folks to book? So I have it set on 2 weeks, but maybe you want to give them up to 4 weeks. They can book in 4 weeks in advance, or even 1 week in advance. Okay, and this is just what your page will be called. Then you just click on create, and now you have that created. So now to make edits to that, so once it's created, you just click, you look for that block and you click edit, and now you have options. So you can edit the event information, change the location, add your Zoom link, whatever, and then you can choose how long you want the meetings to be and how much earlier notice do you need, at least 2 hours before, cancellation notices, buffer time, so that way you have some time between meetings and things like that. And then of course, how far ahead you want to allow them to schedule a meeting with you. Okay, and then in calendars, this is just which calendar you want to use in your scheduler. In case you have multiple calendars, you can select from here. Opening hours, this is just summarizing your availability. Booking flow, how do you want your new bookings to be handled? Automatic, which is posted automatically to your calendar and to their calendar as well once they've scheduled this appointment with you. And then what should happen when a booking is completed? So hosted page, show the guest the standard thank you page, or you can customize your page. Okay, so we'll just keep it at the standard thank you page for now. Reminders, so this will, if you check these off, then you'll get a confirmation email once the appointment has been scheduled, and then the guest will also receive a confirmation email. And then custom fields. So right now it's asking for name and email address, which are required, but you can add additional fields. So perhaps you want them to input their phone number. So you can just create a field for phone number, and then you can just select the type, so phone. And it's up to you whether you want to make that required or not, or if it's just an optional field. Okay, so now you have your custom fields. And then page styles. So you can put your company name up here, and you can upload your logo. So if I want to put InsuredMine, and then if I want to upload my logo, I just click here, click on my logo, and I have my logo. And then you can also change the color if you wish. And then once you're done, you can just hit save and exit, or you can go to view page to see what it looks like. So this is what your calendar will look like to them. And these are the days that are available for them to schedule with you. So let's say they choose the 8th, and it will give them all of the time slots that are available for that day. And they can select that and confirm. And then they would just put in their name and email address. And if there's any additional guests, then they can just click submit. So let's put mine in here for now. Submit. See, you're all set. You'll receive an email confirmation, and this is the time that they've selected. Okay, so that's that. So what you can also do is, you already have that created. So while you're working, are you working in your pipeline manager, for example, and you're working a deal? So say you wanted to send, this customer your schedule. So all you do is you open up the deal card and you come over here to schedule. And then you choose the one that you want to send to them. So this is the one that you had created. You just click up here and you have it selected and just click send. Okay, so now the email template pops up and they'll get this email, and then basically they just click here and they can schedule a meeting with you. So if I send it, by doing it this way, now you have a history of it. So you sent this customer the schedule request to schedule a meeting with you. And once they click on that button there, then the screen opens up. If you have any questions setting up your scheduler, or just, have some, just maybe setting up the colors or things like that, just reach out to support at any time. support@InsuredMine.com, and one of us will be more than happy to walk you through it step by step. Thank you.